Welcome to the Cybersecurity course organized by Hyster at Skillup. This course is all about the basics of cybersecurity we'll be learning in this module. So why cybersecurity? Why do you think cybersecurity is important? Since day by day we are increasing the usage of our devices, let it be laptops or computers, we are storing our personal information inside that, we have many files and folders, so more will be the threat. More the data usage, more it can be exposed, so more will be the threat. Have you ever thought, what if a threat arises, how to handle it, or how to prevent such kind of threats? Let's discuss. So cybersecurity is prior and crucial to implement effective security programs in an organization to protect data as well as important information. Some companies also have the habit of destroying the data or throwing out the data or trashing the data completely for the competitive advantage so that the information doesn't get leaked out. You know what happens if the information gets leaked out? It might be their business secret, it might be the blueprint of their business, so they want to protect those data. Hence, cybersecurity is important in a business context as well as in the personal context. Let us discuss about the course highlights. First, we'll be understanding the interdependency between business objective and IT security. This course also focuses on information security management of an organization. We'll also discuss about the key steps to be taken by an organization to avoid data leakage. Okay. So, what would be the benefits? There should be some benefits of this course, right? So what will be the benefits of this course, cybersecurity? First is to reduce IT related threats because it is going to cost more. It may lead to heavy damage of an organization. Second is manage information security. Completely manage the information security in certain way that it is being prevented from attackers. To get value from information system, we need to have some value. And finally, to meet the compliance and legal requirements. These are the benefits of mastering cybersecurity in an organization. So, the course objectives. At the end of this course, you will be able to identify and analyze the threats in information systems and find ways to analyze them. Then, for better understanding and troubleshooting the threats using defined architecture. Then comes applying security awareness principles in the organization you're working in or the institute you are studying in. Implementing a distinct defense in cyber-related attacks, data leakage, and/or threats. Enhancing the existing security protocols of your organization. So this is the course introduction, the contents of the course actually. Then comes the course structure, how the course is being structured. The first module will be learning about fundamentals of cybersecurity. The second module will be learning about enterprise architecture and its components. The third will be information system control and risk assessment. And fourth, it will be incident management and conclusion. Also, by the end of this course, you will be put up into the course and assessment where we will be able to understand your understanding about the course. And it's basically a knowledge check, how much you understand about the course. So, let's proceed.